We are here at the boat and we're going to San Jose, Dinagat Islands, and hopefully we can meet our master and Declis clan. Just wanna play a song for you titled Lucky by Jason Mraz and Colby Tick 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 Tick. Do you hear me talking to you across the water, across the ocean, under the open sky? Oh my baby. Look at this. Across the sea, in my heart, you make it easier when life gets hard. I'm lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. They don't know how long it takes waiting for a love like this. Every time we say goodbye, wish we had a one more kiss. I'll wait for you, I promise you I will. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. So I'm sailing through the sea to the Dinagat Island where we'll meet. You hear the music, feel the air. I'll put a flower in your hair. Through the breezes, through the trees, you move so pretty. You're all I see as the world keeps spinning round. You hold me right here, right now. Big. I'm lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. To Dinagat Island, what in it? To Dinagat Island.